Hey everyone, this is Chris Grenier, and today's Market Minute, we are live, recorded at least, from Cancun. We're going to talk about ROI on your rental property. Alright, so a lot of people always discuss what their expectations are when it comes to the ROI that you're going to get from a cash flow deal. So many people are completely distorted in their views and expectations realistically. A lot of the times people will say, I want 15, 20, 25% net ROI on my rental property. And a lot of the times that is achievable in some lower areas such as Detroit and Buffalo, areas of Syracuse and something like that. A lot of different companies, especially foreign companies, are actually selling super cheap properties, $20,000, $25,000, $30,000 in Detroit, and the ROI is like 25%. Now, obviously, the amount of rent that you're going to get there is $700, $800, $900 on a $25,000 property. So the ROI is dramatic. But when it comes to Central Florida, Orlando specifically, in a much more steady economic condition that Orlando is versus other cities like Detroit, your ROI is going to be significantly less, but it's much more secure. Right now in Orlando, the average net ROI that you're finding on rental properties is anywhere between 8.5% and 10.5%. What we found is the sweet spot in the value of the property that you're going to purchase, that you're going to maximize your ROI, is anywhere between $75,000 and $150,000. Rental income does not go linear in terms of the price of the property itself. So for example, a $100,000 property in Orlando is going to rent for approximately $1,000 a month. But on the other side, a $300,000 property in Orlando might only rent for about $1,800 to $2,000 a month, which obviously is going to distort the ROI dramatically less, because not only are you getting a much more actual rent versus price income, but your taxes are higher, your overall overhead on a property that's $300,000 is going to be dramatically higher also. So if you were to look at Trulia or Zillow or something like that, and the average property price in, let's just say, Pine Hills, I am an advocate of investing in Pine Hills at 32808 or so, the average property price is about $110,000, and the average rental rate is about $1,100. So that's over about 15% gross ROI. And considering there's basically no HOAs in Pine Hills, your property taxes are low, and your overall insurance is going to be lower because they're smaller houses, it's going to provide you with a solid net ROI of 10%, which is pretty much industry average. So if you're looking for a rental property in Central Florida, really keep it into consideration. Don't take expectations to 15, 20% net ROI. If you're discussing a cash-on-cash mortgage return, that's a lot different. But if we're talking about a cash purchase outright, you're looking at your 8.5% to 10.5% right now in this market. This is Chris Grenier. Thanks for watching my Market Minute. Any questions, please contact me at any time. Talk to you soon.